In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and understand your weekly earnings in the Dasher app. Let's get started by opening the Dasher app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look along the bottom for the earnings icon. It looks like a dollar sign and takes you straight to the page that summarizes your pay. Tap that icon to open your earnings. On the earnings screen, you'll see your pay organized by week. Choose the week you want to review. This is helpful whether you're double checking a recent payout or comparing a busier week to a slower one. After you select a week, the app will show you a detailed breakdown so you can understand exactly where your money is coming from. You'll see base pay, which is the amount Doordash pays you for each delivery before tips or promotions. Base pay varies based on time, distance, and desirability of the order, so it can change from delivery to delivery. Next, look at tips. This shows what customers tipped on your completed deliveries, and it's added on top of your base pay. Tips can be a major part of your total, so reviewing them weekly helps you spot patterns like which times or areas tend to be more generous. You'll also see promotions. These include peak pay and challenges. Peak pay is extra pay offered during busy times or in high demand zones, and it's added per delivery when active. Challenges are goal-based promos, like completing a certain number of deliveries within a set period for a bonus. The promotions section shows how much of your earnings came from these boosts, so you can tell how much they contributed to your week. As you look through the breakdown, keep in mind that the total you see represents your gross earnings for that week. This is useful for planning ahead. If you're budgeting or preparing for taxes, reviewing these numbers weekly gives you a clear picture of your income before expenses. If you want to go further back in your history, tap See More on the earnings screen. This expands your view to past weekly summaries so you can compare multiple weeks side by side. It's a simple way to track trends, set goals, and understand how schedule choices or promotions impacted your results over time. Weekly summaries are a powerful tool for tracking your total earnings, planning for taxes, and monitoring performance. Make it a habit to check them at the end of each week so you always know where you stand and can plan your next moves with confidence.